Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how you can deactivate or delete your Nextdoor account on Wave. If any day you are a Nextdoor account user and you would like to delete or deactivate on the Wave version, for this you can log into your Nextdoor account on the Wave. Now you have to click on your profile picture on the top right corner. There you have to select the settings. At the bottom of the page you can click on deactivate your account. Now there you have to select a reason for deactivating or deleting using the drop-down menu. Now you'll receive a confirmation email once your account has been deactivated. This process typically takes a few minutes, but it may take longer as well. Sometimes if you do not receive an email notification within the 24 hours, now you can attempt to log into your account to see if it is still active. If it is, please contact the support for assistance. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.